Tadasana-Uttanasana Vinyasa. Stand up, keep your feet together, arms by the sides of the thighs, knees together, shoulders relaxed, chin tucked in gently, and gaze forward. Take your attention to your breath. In case you're not able to balance in this position, you can keep a short distance between your feet. Take 3 breaths in this posture. This is referred to as samasthiti. On the next inhalation, raise your arms from the sides all the way up and join the palms above your head. As you exhale, slowly bring your arms down beside your feet. Coordinate the movement of the arms along with your breath. Ensure you do not move after the completion of the inhalation or exhalation. This is where the vinyasa starts. Repeat the upward movement of the arms as you inhale, joining the palms above your head. Now, as you exhale, bring the arms down from the sides, push your hips backwards, and bend forward, placing your palms on the floor beside your feet. If you're able to, or just stretch as much as you can. Do not hang the head and neck too much. As you inhale, come up, raising your arms and upper body with the arms placed beside the ears. Exhale and bring your arms down from the sides. Let's repeat this entire cycle 3 times. Inhale, arms above the head, palms touching each other. Exhale, push your hips backward, bend forward, touching your feet, touching the hands on the ground. Do not hang your head. Now inhale and come back up. Repeat this cycle 2 more times. Repeat this cycle 2 more times.
No, I won't repeat.
ठीक है